Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Today we have got a super cool and colorful project for you. We are going to building a system that lets you control an RGB LED wirelessly using your smartphone. Imagine being able to set the perfect ambient lighting with just a few taps on your phone. Whether you want a calming blue, a vibrant purple, or a dazzling rainbow effect, it is a fantastic way to learn about wireless communication and microcontroller control. Here what you will need for this project: Arduino Uno, RGB LED module, HC05 Bluetooth module, jumper wires and a breadboard. Now let's talk about how this works. The Arduino will be connected to the RGB LED and the Bluetooth module. We will write some code for the Arduino that listens for data coming in through the Bluetooth module. On your smartphone, we will use a simple app that let you pick a color. When you select a color, the app sends the corresponding red, green, and blue values wirelessly to the Bluetooth module. The Arduino receives these values and then adjusts the brightness of each color in RGB LED. Connect the RGB LED module to Arduino pin 9, 10 and 11. Connect the ground pin of the RGB LED module to the Arduino ground. Connect the HC05 module like this. Connect the TX pin of HC05 to RX pin of the Arduino. Connect RX pin of the HC05 to TX pin of Arduino. Connect VCC pin of HC05 to 5V and ground to ground. Alright, with the code uploaded, let's move on to the smartphone app. Just search for Bluetooth RGB LED controller or something similar. There are several free Bluetooth color picker apps. Find one that you like and install it. Once you have installed an app, you will need to pair it with your Bluetooth module. Usually you will need to scan for Bluetooth device and look for your HC05 module. The default password for the HC05 is often 1234 or 000. Once paired, the app should allow you to select a color using a color wheel or sliders. Now for the exciting part. Let's see it in action. Make sure your Arduino is powered up and your Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Open your chosen color picker app. Connect the HC05 module and start playing with the color selections. You should see the RGB LED changing color in real time based on what you choose on your phone. You now have wirelessly controlled RGB LED. This project is a great foundation for many other creative lighting projects. You could incorporate this into mood lighting for your room. Build a notification system that changes color based on alerts or even creates interactive art installations. So that's it for this project. I hope you enjoyed building this wireless RGB LED controller. If you did, please give the video thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting Arduino and electronics projects. Let me know in the comments below what other cool things you would like to build. Thanks for watching.